James Sidney Edouard, Baron Ensor was born April 13, 1860, died November 19, 1949. He was a Belgian painter and printmaker. An important influence on expressionism and surrealism, who lived in Ostend for most of his life. He was associated with the artistic group WAA. During the late 19th century, much of Ensor's work was rejected as scandalous, particularly his painting Christ's entry into Brussels in 1889. The Belgian art critic Octave Maus famously summed up the response from contemporaneous art critics to Ensor's innovative work: "Ensor is the leader of a clan, Ensor is the limelight." Ensor sums up and concentrates certain principles which are considered to be anarchistic. In short, Ensor is a dangerous person who has great changes. He is consequently marked for blows. It is at him that all the harquebuses are aimed. It is on his head that are dumped the most aromatic containers of the so-called serious critics. Some of Ensor's contemporaneous work reveals his defiant response to this criticism. Ensor's paintings continued to be exhibited and he gradually won acceptance and acclaim. In 1895 his painting The Lamp Boy was acquired by the Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium in Brussels, and he had his first solo exhibition in Brussels.